Welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today, we are going to learn about 20 advanced English words beginning with letter G. Gabble. To gabble means to talk quickly in such a way that people find it difficult to hear you clearly or to understand what you are saying. Example: stop gabbling and speak more clearly. What are you gabbling on, Timothy? Gallivant. To gallivant means to go from place to place, usually for fun. Example: Mrs. Rita had spent her youthful years gallivanting round Asia. Note that the word gallivant is usually used in the progressive tense. Gangling. This means a person, usually a young person, that is tall, thin, with awkward movements. Example: I saw a gangling figure moving round in the dark. Gash. This means a long, deep cut in the surface of something, especially a person's skin. Example: the accident left a gash on his arm. Note that this is also used as a verb. Example: the girl gashed her forehead on a rough. Gobble. This means to eat something very fast in a way that is considered rude or improper. Example: stop gobbling your food. Graffiti. This means drawings or writings that are fixed on walls, especially in public places. Example: the government has ordered the removal of all graffitis on public highways. Gratuitous. This means an action that is done without any good reason or purpose and that often has harmful effects on something else. Example: the recent layoff by the company has been considered by many as being rather gratuitous and unthoughtful. Gravitate. This means to move towards somebody or something that you are attracted to. Example: young people usually gravitate towards social events rather than formal ones. The baby gravitated towards the cake. This means the baby moved quickly towards the cake. Gravestone. A gravestone is a stone that is put on a grave which shows the name, the date of birth, and the date of death of the person buried there. This is also called a headstone. Example: the robber's grave had no gravestone. Gravy train. This is a situation in which people seem to be making a lot of money without much effort. Example: the recent discovery of oil in the community has become a gravy train for many people there. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. Gregarious. This means a person who likes to be with other people, a sociable person. Example: I always admire Stephen's gregarious nature. Secondly, it also means of animals or birds living together. Example: wolves are naturally gregarious. Grimy. This means covered with dirt. Example, she kept staring at the grimy pot. Grudging. This means unable to think or move well because of illness or tiredness. Example, James felt grudging after the exercise. Grouch. This means a person who complains a lot. It also means to complain about something unimportant. Example, my grandmother is one hell of a grouch. What's she grouching about? Grove. This means a small group of trees. Example, she owns a grove of apple trees. Grubby. This means something that is dirty because it has not been washed or cleaned. Example, I can't wear these grubby clothes, said Anne. Gulp. This means to swallow a large amount of food or drink quickly. Example, Ken gulped down his juice and immediately ran out of the room. Gullible. This means a person that can easily be deceived or tricked because he easily believes or trusts other people. Example, the fraudster took advantage of her innocence and gullibility. Gut wrenching. This means something unpleasant that makes you feel very upset. Example, I can't stand this gut wrenching smell anymore. Grow bag. This is a large plastic bag full of soil used for growing plants. Example, I am starting a garden soon. I need to buy some grow bags. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.